Welcome. 3 emails to help you promote your offer and 1 script for a post, a social media post that you can use not just for social media, but for your blogs, your book writing, videos, anything. So welcome to the 3rd video in this little mini video series I'm doing. This one is to help you now go out and move forward with sharing your offer with the world. The first video in this series, we looked at what to offer and how to create your offer. The second video, we looked at how to write a sales page. So if you haven't done that, go and look at those videos and then come back and write your email sequence. So those that don't know me, I'm Angela McMillan. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner, transformational movement coach, and I help practitioners both in movement professions, wellness professions, take their business online. And I'm the creator of Online Marketing Growth Bootcamp, where I use my own methodology called Story Vision to help you do that. And this is part of what I'm sharing with you today. So if you haven't started your online business and growing your email list and you need a free offer to help you start growing your list, I have a link below to join my program to help you do that. So go and do that. And if you want more videos on what I'm sharing with you today, make sure you subscribe to this channel, click that bell icon so you'll be notified when my next video goes live. If you take a look around my site on YouTube, you'll see that I have got lots of videos I share on movement as well. So stick around and there's lots more coming for this year and beyond. Let's now look at the 3 emails I'm going to suggest you want to write for your offer. So, writing your promotional content. So the first one is a personal touch email. So a personal story, a value email. So you might want to share your own personal transformation from what you provide in the course. So talk about your before and after, not just the external transformation, but the internal transformation. So people that are looking for the solution of what you offer know that you understand where they're coming from. So what are the strategies that helped you get there? So I would talk about with my Feldenkrais business, I was actually a dancer. And when I first came to Feldenkrais, I was struggling with a particular move in breakdance, which was really challenging. And my teacher told me to go slow. So the external transformation was by going slow, I was able to master that move very quickly. But the internal transformation was I discovered that what I'd been taught through dance didn't actually go deep enough into understanding how the nervous system works with our movement. There's another personal transformation story, but I won't go into that here in this video. Or is there some valuable tips or strategies that you could share so that the readers understand that, this is a strategy. So with my online marketing, my strategy is my story vision methodology and how that can help you, which is what I've been sharing here in this value story, this personal story in this email. It's creating stories so that it connects to your audience. And then after your personal story, then you go into the benefits and the features of your course. So you state the benefit and the feature and how it can help the person get to where they want to be. And let them know that you want to help them succeed. So if you want to link to this document, I'll post it below. And you can download this document and go through it yourself. It actually also includes the sales page story, the script that I showed you on the last video. So the next one you always want to include in an email series, which is a client case study. So if you looked at the video yesterday on your sales page, this is where you could also use that story that's actually on your sales page. So you talk about where your client was and now where they are after doing your program. And make sure that you're telling people that other people have got benefits from doing your program. So that's the client email. And the last one that you always have to have when you're launching a course, you want a deadline. Deadlines work so that people will take action. You'll be surprised how many people actually buy on the last day. I've had people email me within minutes of the doors closing. I'm hovering over the button and you need to be there to support them, to say, yeah, this is for you. Often I'll put in the email that if you're not sure, you can book a call, and as long as you book that call before the deadline, then I'll honor you to join the program. So making sure that you put that deadline reminder email. For a mini program that we're talking about in this series, a special offer, one is enough. Often though, it's been suggested that you want to send 2 or 3 on that last day, just to remind people that it's, this is it. You need to take action today before the deadline closes. And so then you also talk about in this email the bonus, the description of the course, what they're going to get. So that is the 3 emails that I suggest to send out. Now we're going to get to your social media post. Now this is the most engaging script that I could give you. It comes directly from my own coach, my speaking coach from Speakers Institute. And it goes like this. First, you open with a question, a pain point that your ideal clients are experiencing. So that could be pain in the body, loneliness, whatever you help them overcome. Then you introduce your idea. I have found that, and you go into telling them. So I would say I've found that moving slowly with awareness on what you are doing helps you feel better, move better. Then you back that up with an idea. Research shows us. Now, my colleagues that I coach in my online marketing, we talk a lot about, well, how deep do you want to go into the research? Because we know that a lot of people want to know the research behind what we're offering. You don't go deep here. This is not where you can name it and state the study that you're talking about, or you could state a general fact. We know that 85% of people suffer from lower back pain. Research tells us this. And then if you want, you can actually post the link to the study that you're talking about in the comments or somewhere else. You don't need to go deep. And that's why it's 5 to 10%. People don't remember the statistics. They remember the story. We are in the business of emotion. So this is where we get to now. There was this one time when, and you tell a story, either your own transformation or that of your clients. And that's the big part of this post. So this can be a post, it could be a video, works really well on video. It could be a blog post, it could be a book, as I mentioned earlier, and each chapter of the book is one of these scripts. And then you do the call to action. I would like to invite you to join my program. And that's it. When you know this script, you can becomes very easy to navigate through and keep writing these scripts. So thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing about your offers that you're creating. I've already had some people message me personally and let me know that they're watching this video series. So comment below, let me know what you're offering. And if you want more help in putting your offers together, navigating this online space, make sure that you join my Facebook group, not Misfits, that's my movement group. Join my Mindset and Marketing Facebook group. I'll put the link below, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos I'm creating to help you bring your business online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.